So this is your boy Diamond Paris, Mr. CEO himself, and welcome back to the Troop channel. So it's gonna be a young vlog, yola. I have to go buy a young car part for Sophie. Yeah, we're back with Sophie content, but it's back with Sophie content. You know what I mean? And I know I didn't give you guys a young update, like what happened to Sophie. Hey man, a lot happened to Sophie, but so basically what happened is. So she like clutch, and you have to go buy the parts. So right about now, I'll drop a neck and go there shoes in Zagare, and then I'll tap us drop my little sister, fetch my mechanics so we can go buy the part together. And then yeah, hopefully we get to Clara vandaag, and hopefully we'll see Sophie vying, man. So wanneer kijk man? Ja, the 3rd of February. We gaan goed koop hier op fiets. Ja. So let's hit the road. But feel so. Alright, Mensa. So we got the clutch kit. Bought for steel, actually a nice price. How about one setup?
Like a dance.
Yeah. So. Right now we're gonna go and fetch Limokang, and then we're gonna install it and see what happens, bro. You know? Yeah, man. So far so good, bro. Let's get it, my boy. Alright, man. So right now we're more 14 PS and really pausing in 2 minutes because I spoke to my mechanic and he said that he'll meet me because he's still busy with another client quick. So he can not see quick because he didn't actually give me a time frame for all this guy. So that's why I had my PS. He had first 2 minutes 2 seconds, and then yeah, man. And guys, speaker as well. And I also want to be selling the speaker, you know. So what is this thing? XTC 420 watts, 6x9. Yeah, man, I got a buyer. I just have to meet up with him and he'll tell me what he thinks. I'm selling it for a cheap price, man. 250 and a fellow owes. Yeah, man. So we'll just see what the buyer says. If he's down for it, and then yeah, nah. Otherwise, we cool. Really got that cash money in, you know what I'm saying? So I remelela motora di PSE, and then yeah. Alright, so we have to go back to space. We have to go back there because there's a part that's missing, and yeah. So I'm gonna hit you guys up when I get there or when I arrive back home. So yeah. Alright, so we just got to this Blakey Olas and damani ile utsene da we'll check the missing part. And yeah, man, once he gets the missing part, we'll be back on our way. Bagai ahoitsenya ba fetse re tlhape gape go tsamaya. So the car started and whatnot. Nah, we haven't tested it yet and stuff like that. But so far started is just that it's making funny noises and stuff. So right now they're busy fixing that. What's actually causing that weird noise? Yeah, so everything is done. Okay, not everything. The brake discs have not yet been installed, and the brake shoes have also not been installed. So I'll show that as a tutorial, but they'll share those ones tomorrow. Oh, like Emma must be ready to go. Emma. The car owns. So we're looking at oh, damn, boy. Hey, So legal elements of this is Paris signing out, because as you guys have seen, the car is not again, but the only flop now is that the battery is completely dead. It needs to be charged. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take Sophie's battery, I'm gonna put it in the roller. Take Sophie's battery, put it in the roller, and then when I go tell petrol, I mean 5 litre. So I can pour it into Sophie, because I'm not sure if you can tell petrol of Sophie, because I'll just saw from the clips for Emma. It's confusing. I don't know if there's gas, because the gas meter says there's gas, but the car says there's no gas. So I'm just gonna weigh gas. 5 litre. You understand? You have reached your daily. So yeah, man. But that's it for today's video, guys. Yeah, I don't want to make this video too long, and yeah, guys, the clutch is in, but the brake disc is still not in, brake shoes are not in, fan switch is in, and yeah, I guess that's cool. That's alright for today. And then I also need to go pump my tire. Gotta go pump that tire. That tire is so flat, guys. It's flat. But anyway, deuce.